Let's just go see where he is. Whew. My baby looking good. Oh my days. Yeah, we're here at Auto Arena. Well, they changed all this up a lot, but I don't recognise any of this place. Damn, I've been here for a while. Anyway, this message. We walk into the Auto Arena. I'm fully geared up. People looking like, who's this guy? Is this Rossi? Is this the mixed race Rossi? Yeah, let's not show that. Busy, I'm not gonna lie, very busy. Ah, baby, I'm back. Don't you worry. Ah, boy, this heat. This heat. Now I feel it when I'm standing still, not freaking riding. Damn. But you got to ride with gear on, so what can I do? Better to be safe than sorry. And there's hella traffic today. What's that about? Mind you, sunny day. What am I about? What's that about? We have the nice summery colours on, she knows. Got the yellow and the black. Should say black and yellow. Oh man. Oh, when you sit over the bike, that is how you get it to lean in. Nice G-Wags. Look at this surface, man. This is what I'm talking about. It is so damn dusty. It's not even funny. It's not a nice surface to ride on. If you don't want to lose grip, that is. I mean, I don't want to lose any grip, so I'm taking it easy as hell. You could never ride spirited on the surface like this. It's a recipe for disaster. Honestly, absolute recipe for disaster. Maybe we'll go this way. Close our visor, shall we? Well, hopefully it's heated up more for race mode now. Oh man, yeah, you guys, I'm sorry, I'm not even like speaking much. I'm just enjoying my ride. Simple. Yeah, I'm loving this weather. It's the right weather for the bike, man. There's a lot of people out today. Wow. Oh, them downshifts. I'm finally getting to use race mode as well. I'm not gonna lie, I just put it into neutral by accident. So when I want neutral, I can't find it. And when I don't want it, it's just there. Like, it's like, hey, neutral, man. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that still. But hey. But hey. Nuts! Oh, bruh! I can't wait to discuss the oily suspension, because I'm not gonna lie, unless you're a super seasoned rider, I don't know if you'll open it. GT3, we're like that. I don't know if you're gonna notice, because man, if you give it something hard, you feel it in your soul. I'm kidding you not, you feel it right in your soul, and it hurts. I mean, I don't know what the good old sperm count will be after this, but hey, I assure you it is probably reduced. Not a couple million of them out there, kinda hurt, but hey, well. Yo, the heat from this bike now, Ducati, you're running hot. Wow, the temp is actually quite high as well. My legs are, I feel like someone's blowing a fan of cold air onto my legs. But yeah, I was saying before, you guys, let me know what you guys want to see in these videos. I mean, what do you want to see from this bike? What do you want to see me do? Do you want to see me do collabs with people? Get some more bikes involved, get some more cars involved? What you guys want to see? Let me know. And let me know, comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, you know, subscribe, support your boy. I haven't ridden it in race mode for so long, and I'm telling you guys, it makes a difference. Like, the full power output, the throttle, like, look at that. Look how much I twist my wrist, the tiniest amount is ready to just launch you off the bike. Like, it is that sensitive. That's why I don't really use race mode in town. It's a bit too sensitive, but if the road's clear and nothing's in front of me, I'm just like, why not? But you still need to be very cautious. Ow. I need to figure out what else race mode does. I know what it does to the engine dynamics and whatnot. Like, I know all of that stuff. But yeah, I don't know about the rest of it, you see. It will still power really easily. Like, flipping hell, man. It is so damn responsive. Oh, the way it handles, man. Are you serious? It's like you could dance on this damn thing. Nah, man, the way it feels. Oh, you guys, the way it turns and the downforce you feel from the wings, like, this stuff feels so agile. Yeah, I love the swing. Yeah, with me and this bike, we are one. We are united. 171 for fuel. Are you serious? My days, it's just getting expensive everywhere. Like, this is stupid. I don't know about that. It's hella expensive. Ah, my legs are burning. Bike, do you have to be this hot? Ah, 234, damn. Nah, my legs are burning. It's not even funny. anything else. You know what it is? It's the bike that's making me hot now. It's not even the freaking weather, man. Honestly, my phone is sticking out my pocket, looking real awkward right about now. Damn, this is sorted out. Nah, man, the fly just hit me in my face. What's that about? It freaking hurt, man. My days. Can't believe that fly. I saw it from far and it was like bang, like a bullet in my face. Freaking hurt. Not the one. Yeah, my visor's shut now. I had to learn the hard way. Right, race is so. Yeah, you know we have to blip that throttle. I need that loud exhaust, man. I need people to know from before that where I'm at. Kinda hot today. Oh man, I need the visor open again. I can't breathe like this.